My name's Kelly Perks-Bevington and I'm an electric wheelchair user with spinal muscular atrophy type 3. I've been a Sirus customer now for 6 years and I'm able to drive from my wheelchair thanks to Sirus. So my car has an automated locking system, which is fantastic. It's literally just a pin on the bottom of my wheelchair, and then there's a mechanism in the car that pairs with the pin and ensures that I'm safe and that my chair doesn't move all the time that I'm driving. It's great because it gives me so much independence, and it means that I can travel without people helping me in and strapping my chair into place. It's literally something that I can do completely independently, which is great. So my chair's locked into the system at the moment, which means I can't move. All I need to do is press this button to release and then reverse my chair out of the vehicle. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you require more information, there's loads of information at the Sirus website.